Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to disable your online status in the Band app so that your friends or contacts cannot see when you are active. This feature is useful if you want more privacy while using the app and prefer to appear offline to others. First, open the Band app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the profile icon. Then, at the bottom right, tap on Small Settings icon. Then, scroll down the Settings menu until you find the Show My Online Status option. Tap on this option to access the visibility settings for your online activity. Finally, toggle off the Show My Online Status option. Then click OK to confirm your change. Once you turn it off, your friends and contacts will no longer see when you are active on the Band app. This change is immediate, and you can always turn it back on if you want to be visible again. Managing your visibility is simple and gives you full control over who sees your activity.